Alright, so we got 45,506 miles. Crank it up here. Go outside and take a look at this. And running like a sewing machine. 44,000 miles, I guess it should. Again, that's the problem. That frame horn is bent. This one needs a little tweaking, but this one's okay, really. It's this one. That's the one that's damaged. 44,000 miles. Rest of the car is good to go. I got the core support for it and the hood. I don't think I have the header panel. That hubcap is inside on the floorboard. All right.